Today we'll be making my classic American buttercream recipe, and this is what I use for all of my flower piping tutorials. In the bowl of a stand mixer, place 1/2 cup of butter that is softened to room temperature. Fit this with the paddle attachment and mix on low for 2 to 4 minutes, depending how soft your butter was to begin with. You want it to be nice and smooth and creamy. Make sure that you're scraping down the sides of your bowl throughout this process. Now I'm going to add in 1 cup of powdered sugar, and I'm going to mix this on low for about 30 seconds until it's incorporated. And you don't want to put all of the powdered sugar in at once, or you could end up with a big mess. So now I'm going to add in the remaining 1 cup of powdered sugar and continue mixing this on medium-low for 3 to 5 minutes. You want it to be nice and fluffy and creamy. It'll be pale in color and increase in volume. Add 1 tablespoon of milk, and you may need to add a little bit more depending on your butter and your humidity, but start with 1 tablespoon. This is also when you add in your flavorings, and I have a bunch of great options. I'm going to list them in the description box below along with the full recipe. So as you can see here, we have a nice thick American buttercream, perfect for icing cakes, but there's a lot of big bubbles. So for the flower piping, we need to get rid of those bubbles. I like to move it into a smaller bowl, and using my spatula, I just press down along the sides of the bowl until I pop most of those bubbles and I have a nice smooth buttercream. This is also when you would add any coloring in. So now you can see most of those bubbles are gone. I'm going to move it to a piping bag fitted with a number 2D tip, just so that I can show you the consistency. And as you can see, it's flowing nice and easily, it's smooth, and there's none of those big bubbles left. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe. And if you have any questions, let me know down below. I'm going to link a couple more tutorials here for you, and I hope that you'll join me next week. Thanks so much for watching.